Hello, welcome to CryptoJib. This is your number one channel for free crypto minings, airdrops and updates. Subscribe to the channel if you are seeing us for the first time. This is an update video of a certain airdrop in Satoshi app. This is the fourth airdrop in this app. The first one was Core, the second one was OX, the third one was BWB, and now the fourth one was OG, which has just ended. This airdrop was introduced by Glyph Exchange. People mined it for less than a month, and it has just come to an end. So in this video, we are going to see how to withdraw our OG token to external wallet. First, we will have to link the wallet address for withdrawal. You will use the OEX wallet for withdrawal. This is the official wallet from Satoshi app. Download it through the link in the video description. Click sign up. Here, set your 6-digit password and re-enter it again. Then click done. Now in your wallet, click settings to back it up. Backup. Click here to see and back up your 12 words phrase. This is like a password to your wallet. If you lose it, all the funds in the wallet will disappear, and no one can replace it for you. So write and store it in a safe place. Go back to your dashboard. Then click Core. Make sure you are in Core mainnet. Click Receive to copy your wallet address. This is the address that you will use to withdraw the OG tokens from Satoshi. Now head over to Satoshi app to link your wallet. Click the wallet icon. Click OG. Link withdraw address. Long press here to paste the address you recently copied. Then type in your asset password. Lastly, click OG link withdraw address. Confirm. Here, copy the verification code sent to your email, then paste it here, and click confirm. Then click start verification. Here, center your face in this circle to verify yourself and confirm that you are not a robot. You will be directed to move your head sideways, up, and down. Follow the instructions keenly and you will be through in less than a minute. Lastly, you will see this message, indicating that your wallet is successfully linked. After that, the OG tokens will be sent automatically to your wallet from 1st of June 2024. Then it will be listed, and you will be able to trade it, or exchange it to fiat money. There are some tasks in this wallet that you should also perform in order to trade or withdraw the coins. The tasks in this wallet are compulsory. So I will create a video of how to perform the tasks. You will find the link to that video in this video description. There is also another airdrop coming soon in Satoshi app. The airdrop is called BRB. And this will be the fifth airdrop in this app. So you have no choice but to have this app in your mobile phone. The link to Satoshi app is also in the video description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share this video with others. See you again in another video.